Ashley, Craig, y'all know Craig, Squappy's Drones on YouTube, Brian, Drone on YouTube channel, my woman. We got a bunch of birds out here. So this is the Osmo 2.
Yeah, I'm trying to get working.
And what are your thoughts so far?
It works fine with Android.
All right, so Craig's gonna help me here. We're gonna see which way the wind is going. I'm assuming it's not windy right now, so.
It came to me.
That worked out great. Did it?
A little bit.
I'm getting 4, what do you think? What do you think we're getting here?
About 4 miles an hour.
I can't tell if it's coming this way. There it is. There it is.
Yeah.
Which way is it coming from? It looks like that way. Okay, so we are coming what appears to be maybe this way. All right, so 4 miles an hour, that's really nothing.
No.
You think we're gonna get any gusting up there?
Maybe up to 5 miles an hour.
We're heading that way, where the aggressive birds are, because I'm not intelligent, and yeah. So we're gonna do that. That'll be fun, let's do it.
All right.
So listen here, man. This here the game plan. What we gonna do is we gonna take the Spark, and we gonna set her down on the ground, and we gonna send her as far as we can on stock setup, okay? Y'all got that? Stock. El stock a setup away, right?
Fly over yonder.
Or yonder. We're sending her way out to the middle of nowhere. You feel me? And then what we're gonna do is when we run out of range on stock, we gonna put on these parabolic disher human whatsits, and it's gonna get some amazing range. That's what they say, right?
Yeah, amazing
these
range.
Amazing range. There's some parabolic douchers. That's what they call these, parabolic douchers. So we're gonna put these parabolic douchers, yeah. Supposed to give you extended range. So we gonna extend that range today. Let's find out. Okay guys, I got it out here. I'm already having a lot of signal problems, so kind of jumping in and out. I don't even have full signal standing next to it on stock antenna, so that kind of sucks, but we'll see what happens here. We'll tilt the gimbal down, tilt it up. Yep, I got connection with the controller. That's a good thing. I'm running OTG. I'm gonna start a recording. Step back, guys, if you would.
Step back,
okay, or don't.
Launch. Have a takeoff.
We're gonna get her up in the air. We're gonna do a range test stock. Don't really care. See where we're at here. Okay, I'm gonna swap her into sport mode, guys, and we're gonna head out. I gotta fight the wind though.
Yeah, it's pushing her.
Wow, it's pushing her really hard. Holy mackerel.
You're getting tossed over there, but you're okay.
Why is it flying sideways? That's really weird.
Come down and calibrate, bring it back and calibrate.
Nope, we're going for it now. I'm at 90%. I am already out of range. That's at 1,000 feet.
Where is it?
Right in that cloud.
Yeah, I don't know, man. Let's give it a second, see what happens now. Huh? Okay.
It looks like a little flag.
I lost it.
You can barely see it now. That's blending in with a great part of the cloud. Still connected?
Yeah, it says I have no signal, but I'm still seeing everything. I'm at almost 3,000 feet out. I'm gonna take her up higher. Yeah, I don't know, that's weird, man. I still have full FPV, and it says I have no signal. I think there's something wrong with the firmware on this thing, honestly. 81%.
Just trying to get into your flight.
It says I have zero signal, and I still see everything perfectly. Interesting. Coming up on 4,000 feet at 78%.
Might be something wrong with the telemetry link coming back.
I'm gonna take her up higher. Way out over the trees now.
How far are you at now?
Coming up on 5,000, so almost a mile. 76% battery. I'm at almost 400 feet high. I just cleared 1 mile. Still have perfect signal. FPV, even though I don't have good signal. I'm at coming up 6,000 feet. There's 6,000 at 70% battery. I'm almost at the water now. I'm way out there, bro. I'm gonna take her to 7,000 feet, turn around. 7,000 feet. Still have perfect FPV, 69%. We're gonna do a return to home. Slide to return to home. Here she comes. It's returning at 23.4 miles an hour into the wind. I turned around at 70% battery. So I went out 7,000 feet.
Wow.
Pretty good. I'm actually gonna do.
Do you see that bird above us, Brian? How is that?
Looks like a crane, maybe?
Huh?
A crane? Whatever it is, it's got a long neck.
It's getting hit by wind. I'm bringing it back myself at 30 miles an hour. The return to home was too slow. I definitely need to calibrate the sticks, I think. Wants to keep rolling the wrong way.
Dropping to the left.
Yeah.
Right.
Well, it's fighting the wind right now, which is why it's doing that. 59%.
You're going to make it back, no problem.
Oh yeah, no problem.
It's just a matter of time. I think actually it's a good picture.
High wind velocity, see what I mean?
Yeah.
It's fighting fighting a lot of wind. So we've been flying in the wind, guys. The sport mode trip was not wonderful. I'm at 4,000 feet out.
I think it's a wind shear. That's
Yeah, you see that? High wind velocity. Caution flying. High wind velocity,
You
yeah.
learn about it?
Yeah. See, it's still there. It's flying sideways all the way back, trying to fight the wind.
I think it's
I'm
a
having to
shear.
lean into the roll to keep it there.
The two wind levels.
I'm gonna start bringing her down now.
Start keeping my eye out. So quiet.
See how it does, yeah. Alright. Huh?
Super stable.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Just like
Yeah. Yeah, just tiny, I know. Alright, so that worked out pretty well. I have to admit, I don't know, maybe it's just this Android version that has a problem with the app. It's an older version of Android.
But you're using DJI Go or Go 4?
Yeah, I'm using Go 4.
Go 4?
Yeah, and it still doesn't show me. Like, dude, it made it all the way, you know, 7,000 feet away, and it told me the whole time basically I had no signal. So there's obviously something going on there.
Like it wasn't getting the proper telemetry.
I know, it was really weird. So I wonder if it has something to do with the current version of Android that's running on. We're gonna have to try it on my new phone, guys. I ordered another. This is the Stylo 2. This is the Stylo 4. They're leagues apart. This is running 6.0. That's running 8.1. So we're just gonna have to try it on a newer device. I had to order the Type-C cable because it doesn't take micro USB, so that's what we're waiting on. Craig is about to put up here. And Craig, what are you flying?
The Phantom 4 Advanced.
Advanced. Very nice. Oh, these are the noise reduction props. Yeah, but it has to be male to male.